Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my bonus lesson series. This lesson shows you how to poach a quail egg. Why would you want to poach a quail egg, you ask? The answer is that you poach a quail egg, or two, when you need a poached egg, such as for a garnish, but a chicken egg would be too big. So let's start cooking. All right, now we're going to poach some quail eggs. And so what we're going to do first is take a quail egg and a paring knife, and we're going to cut a little hole into the side of the quail egg, and we're going to cut just the top off so we can get the egg out of there, okay? So pull the top off and let the egg run into a little dish, okay? Now we're going to do that with 3 more quail eggs. Okay, now I have here a small saucepan with a 1.5 cups of water and a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Now we're going to pour our 4 quail eggs in there for 2 minutes. Okay, it's been about 1.5 minutes and the eggs are starting to separate into individual eggs, okay? And if they need any help to separate, just use a spoon to do that. And then at about the 2-minute mark, we're going to take them out. And now we're going to plunge them into an ice bath to stop the cooking, okay? Okay, I've taken one of the eggs and put it here into this little dish. We're going to just break it open so we can see, oh look, nice runny center, okay? Perfectly poached. Now, if you want these to be warm when you serve them, just put them back into warm water for only about 10 seconds, okay?